Number 8, find theta if sine theta equals negative square root of 3 over 2 and secant theta is greater than 0. All right, so first, sine is the ratio for sine is y over h, which means I could establish that my h is negative square root of 3 and my, excuse me, y is negative square root of 3 and my h is 2 because the y always would take the negative. The h is always going to be positive. So here's what that can do for me. If I went to graph this, the one thing I know right now is that this angle must be in either the third quadrant or the fourth quadrant. The reason I say that is because the y is negative. So we either have an angle going this way or an angle going this way. Now, this tells me that secant is positive. Secant is related to x. Specifically, it's h over x. But this is telling me, since h is always positive, that x also has to be positive. So this is going to be the actual triangle here. So this first value of sine eliminated these two quadrants because y is negative. And this value eliminates the third quadrant because x has to be positive. So this is my triangle here. We know the y value is negative square root of 3, and the h is 2. Now, you could do Pythagorean theorem, or you can just use the hand trick. If this is the case, then we know that sine inverse of negative square root of 3 over 2 will also equal theta. And let me kind of divide this so we don't get confused by that previous problem. And so if you use your hand trick, you need the back of the hand because this is inverse, and you'd have 3 fingers for y. So your top 3 fingers, because it's y over x, should be up. I'm bending my pointer finger. So I have my pointer finger is bent. When I flip my hand over, I would ask what angle is that? And that is the value, pi over 3. Since we have a negative angle here, what do I mean by that? We're going down. The value should be negative pi over 3 for our answer.